How's it going, guys? My name is Solid Player and welcome back to Injustice 2. Alright, here we go again. Woo! How about that? Let's go. Okay. Ow. Woo! How about that? Okay. Woo! How about that? Oh my god. So since I saw the Green Arrow, the show of CW, let's go.
You insured for beatdowns?
The Black Canary is now Dinah, and I thought this is Laurel Lance instead of Dinah, or well, actually, Sarah is now the White Canary now. Okay, let's see her. Oh shoot! God damn it! All right. Oh my. Good God. Okay, you left me no choice but to do the canary scream. Woo! Oh my goodness! Your ears are done! Oh my god, that was so cool. That was so cool.
Much for 9 lives.
So much for 9 lives, you got that right.
Oh, that was graceful, Ollie.
Hello, Bane.
One of us needs to distract him while the other sniffs his tubes. His venom tubes, Ollie?
For real, Ollie.
Kind of Batman sending his underlings. I will enjoy returning you to him in body bags.
Let's go for the Green Arrow.
I'll distract him. You take snipping.
Your spine will break like this.
Now you're done. That was my favorite arrow.
Oh my god, Ollie. Really? You had to say it like that. Woo! How about that? I never forgot the moves of the Green Arrow and Essence Injustice. The Gods Among Us. I did forget a little bit. Sky Alert. Oh yeah. Ow. Woo! How about that? Oh, fudge. Woo! How about that?
Getting green about the gills.
Ow. Ow. Jesus Christ. Oh, you're done. Oh! Oh! Yo! What did I just see right now? Am I dreaming? Yo, Green Arrow is the man. No, Oliver Queen is totally one of my favorite characters of DC because actually Arrow is such a freaking OG right now. Let's go. Get wrecked, Bane.
Birdie, now.
Thank you, Dinah. Get wrecked.
Now where's that damn 238.
Dr. Fate. Uh-oh.
I come to you as darkness falls.
Dr. Fate?
Dinah Lance, Oliver Queen, in the past, I have shielded you from danger, but a grave crisis looms, and I do not know if I can stop it.
You mean Grodd and Company? We've got that covered.
Grodd is the power of a much greater master. A
Gracias,
new order is
Mama.
coming. I have foreseen it. Leave with me now, while I can still save you.
If that's the case, we're staying here. Batman will need our help.
Everyone and everything you know will die. I will shepherd you to safety, lest you suffer the same fate. By force, if necessary.
The good doctor's been wearing that helm for too long.
Then let's help him out.
Let's use the Black Canary.
Watch my back.
You should not have returned to Batman. You are not fated to fight his battle.
Well, like a good friend once told me.
Wait, so this Dinah is really different than the one from Arrow. So, I don't know. Just probably wondering if it's another person or something. Boom, 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 boom. All right, Dinah, we can do this. Oh, no, we can't. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh. Ow. Jesus Christ, Dr. Fate. How about scream, huh? Ow. Jesus. Ow.
Vengeance upon us.
Ow. Dang it. Let's go. Oh.
Now you stepped in it.
Ooh, dude. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh my god, that was close. Oh. Jesus, Dr. Fate is really powerful.
The hero's fate is suffering.
To be quite honest, I think Dr. Fate is like the version of Doctor Strange. I'm not too sure. Jesus. Ah.
Vengeance upon us.
Oh. You're done though. That glowing fist kind of reminds me of Iron Fist right there.
I'm not abandoning Batman.
Nope, never. But is he okay though? Doctor, are you alright?
Kent, you okay?
Your headgear really had you going.
I lost control of the boom, the speed of the helm. Thanks to you, I'm back in charge. For now, I have to go consult my masters, the Lords of Order. Pray they'll intervene before it's too late.
Too late for what, Kent? What's going down?
The Lord's magic bars me from saying more. I have changed fate too many times. This planet's destiny is no longer clear.
What comes next? Mere mortals cannot stop. For better or worse, your fate rests in the gods' hands.
Really? We're not going to
That
fight
was
as...
spooky.
Yeah, no kidding,
Let's find
Oliver.
Grodd and get the hell out of here.
Hello, Grodd.
You've overstayed your welcome.
We're happy to check out,
Harley.
but you're coming with us.
Oh yeah, I forgot he has mind powers.
Buying a talking ape wasn't enough.
Let's do the Green Arrow.
It was a song to soothe these savage beasts.
Let's go, Dinah.
forgot to bring my banana arrow. Wait, right? Or is that an offensive stereotype?
You ignorant fool.
Oh my god. Yo! Oliver was a savage right there. I forgot to bring my banana arrow. Oh my god, that was such a good joke right there. Oh, no, oh man. Yo, Green Arrow, you're totally the. In here, Green Arrow is totally funny, but in the show, Arrow, he's kind of more serious than this Green Arrow. Ow. Oh, ow, Jesus Christ. Let's go. Woo! Let's go, baby. Ow. Oh my god. Eat an arrow. Let's go! Come on, Grodd. Is that the best you can do? How about that? Ow, ow. Jesus! Ow. Let's go! Let's go! We got him! Boom! Frozen! And kick! Let's go! Ow. Oh, I don't have bars.
Guess you skipped my origin story.
Oh my god, how... What? God damn it. But alas... Jesus. Oh! 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 That was sick!
I was just trying to be PC.
Hey, let's go. Good job. Good job, Ollie. Uh-oh. Yeah, run away, you freaks. When did you get those handcuffs?
Surprised that worked. Let's call it a day and get Harley out of here.
It's never good when you slap the cuffs on and then they start chuckling.
Humans. You've won this battle, but you've already lost the war.
What do you... Oh, no. Oh, it's Brainiac. Isn't it?
Holy shit.
It's Brainiac.
Ollie.
I got nothing.
Your victory over Gorilla Grodd warrants further study.
Brainiac.
Green skin. Smart money's on alien.
Martian? Like John's?
Not
The
exactly.
point of origin was 1,000 light years removed from Mars on the planet Kolu. I am Brainiac.
Oof. Oh god. Come on, get out of there. No.
Stop, please.
Cause and effect. Resistance begets violence.
Then we won't resist. Please, just stop.
Oh god.
You're the grave crisis we were warned about. What do you want?
I seek the one you call Superman. For years, I believed I had destroyed Krypton and all its remnants. Superman's survival is an oversight I must correct.
Superman's no friend of ours.
I am aware. But your planet has also piqued my interest. Its many contradictions are fascinating.
We'll never serve you.
Serve? I am no petty despot. I collect worlds, preserving their essential knowledge to enhance my intellect. And then I discard the remnants.
Why?
Your species values precious metals, arbitrary symbols of status. I value knowledge. And like your metal trinkets, knowledge is more valuable when it is rare.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Brother Eye, give me an update on the team at Gorilla City.
I cannot do that, Bruce Wayne of Earth,
Why not?
because I am not Brother
Brainiac. He hacked into Brother Eye.
I am Brainiac. You cannot regain control. Over the past days, Brother Eye has been absorbed into my neural network. It is now an extension of my mind. You, a fragile human, captured and imprisoned a fully developed male Kryptonian.
Maybe I'm not so fragile.
To prevail, you harnessed advanced sciences, nanotechnology, satellite communications, interdimensional transits. I am taking these tools from you.
Why?
The Kryptonian belongs to me, and soon, so will your planet.
What the hell is happening? Let's go. Oh god. Yeah, there you go, Batman. Uh-oh. Now Wonder Woman and Black Adam knows.
Great Hera. Where else besides Metropolis?
Gotham, Beijing, Moscow. So many cities. All at once.
Yeah, she...
It's him.
Yeah, it's Brainiac.
Who, Carl? Who is it?
We
need to get Cal. Now!
No, that's a bad idea. Because Cal is not himself. He's a psychopath now. He's a threat. Hey, Batman. Is that Superman?
You're wearing a suit. Am I in trouble again?
Brainiac, what can you tell me?
How do you know that name?
You're afraid of him. He's invading. He says you belong to him.
Brainiac killed my parents. He blew up Krypton.
You never mentioned that before. How do I beat him?
You can't. Not without me.
I'll find a way.
This is my fight, Bruce! You need me! Bruce! Bruce! Bruce!
We might need him, but he's out of control. He's out of control because we're about to fight as the Flash. No way.
Need a hand, Dr. Randall?
I don't know, Barry. Satlink's out. Internet and phone are down. Maybe this old ham can help us. You fitting in okay? People treating you well?
Let's just say people here aren't thrilled to live in close quarters with the Flash, convicted regime criminal.
Pardoned regime criminal. Give it time. They'll come around.
That's good.
LW base. Are you there?
Dr. Randall? Thank God. Cops are down everywhere. These spaceships showed up, dumping a whole army on this city. They're killing everyone. Let's start a
LW
large.
base. How fast can you get to Metropolis?
My pardon agreement was pretty clear on no powers.
You think that matters when aliens are invading?
Exactly.
You helped tear down the regime, Barry. That's why Mr. Wayne asked me to take you on. And if Batman thinks you earned a second chance, who are you to argue?
Yeah. Go Flash. Yes. Woo! Let's go, Cat Grant. Run, Barry, run. Oh God. Let's go! Man, time. There you go, Flash. My boy is back. Uh-oh.
As predicted,
Grodd.
Barry Allen has returned to action. The task force is ready. I'll enjoy this.
There you go, my boy. Uh-oh. Dead shot. Oh, he's a really good shot. He's going to shoot Barry's leg. Yeah, I knew it. But I think he recovers quickly. I remember that.
Nice aim, Deadshot.
Hello, Captain Cold.
That knee ain't healing super fast at absolute zero.
Oh, damn it.
For God's sake, Colt, look around!
Yeah, crazy day. Kinda like when Superman went nuts and you went right along with him.
Punish me later. We have to help these innocent people.
The same innocent people who cheered Superman when he executed my friends? My sister?
I'm sorry, Colt, but you never hurt civilians. You're better than that.
Once upon a time I was.
Alright, well... Wait, so Superman killed his sister. I remember that his sister had a gold gun. And like, it was a really cool gun. I used to like his friend Mick's gun too, because it's fire, and Captain Cold and Mick, that's like the really good guys right there. Either of them all, Captain Cold is a anti-superhero. Even Mick, his friend Mick, is. So, Captain Cold is Leonard Snart, and I just knew that Superman just killed his sister. And I'm about to play as the Flash right now. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is becoming really exciting. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to leave a like, subscribe if you want, and as always, peace.